Okay. Okay. Now, screen is visible, guys. Okay. 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 So one more thing, I did mistake. Employee controller, right? Hmm. Why I'm getting this one? Employee com dot mortal dot this one. Employee data. This is the employee, right? Where the GSP one things 1 minute. Dollar. This is perfect only. Okay. Let us be. Let's see. Okay. So what is that? Amit. Amit employee password. Just I'm taking 123. EMIT at the rate. Just 123. 123. EMIT. Amit. Right. He is a male. And what is that? Employee Amit. Employee Amit HYD. Right. After then what is that? India. Hindi and English. Okay. Now select the register button. What is that? Hmm. The problem is, the problem is, guys, this is the, what is that? If we are doing this one, okay, na, so we have need to increase the code in the controller class, okay, na. So for that, we have need to take another page only, another page only. Because this is what page GSTL, we are using the GSTL, so here we have need to return the object also. So okay, we will return it. Okay, na, no problem, no problem. We can do it. Okay, na, we can do it. Map dot what we will do now? Map dot what is that? Add attribute, right? Add attribute. So what we will do now? Just take here. What is that? Take here. What is the page name? Okay, na, because of that we are getting the error. Okay, what is the attribute name we are taking? Employee, right? Copy this one. Same employee, and here what we will take? New employee, anonymous employee. We will increase it. Okay, that's it. And here we let's take employee one and come to the page employee one. Okay, so now the things is fine. Now in this time we will not get, just refresh it. Okay, na. So what is that? So data is stored in the database. It's not meaning that if you want to see that, see data is came, but our GSP is returning the error. Our GSP is returning the error. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now here Amit, right? Amit here. Password is what is a 123 Padma, female, right? Address is USA. Okay, so now India, English, Hindi. I think you know Hindi also, right? So now submit. Oh, password is small. Okay, so what we will 1234 at the rate d, just d. Okay, so now submit it. Still, please put A to Z minimum 4 letter. Okay, okay. A B C D E F. Okay. Yeah. See, employee one saved successfully. Okay, now one employee is saved in the database. You want to see that? Okay. Now refresh the object. Okay. Open this one. Okay, now view this one. See, one ID number is one, female, gender female, USA, India, Padma, country India, Padma name is Padma, and EMP password this one. And what is that? If you want to see that collection language, how many languages you know that? English, Hindi, Telugu, right? These three languages. Okay, so now another people also there. Come to browser. Okay, come on the browser. What is that? Pushpendra. Pushpendra, right? Password is what is that? Password KLM and anything. Okay, so he's a male. Address just anything I'm taking, guys. Okay. After then, what is that? India, and he know that Hindi and English. Okay, now click the register. See here what we are getting, employee two employees saved successfully na, come in the database. Okay, now refresh it. See the employee ID number 2 Hindi and English, he know that. Okay, na, he know that Hindi and English, and come to master table, right? Come to master table. What is that? 2 2 ID number 2 male, the address is this one, India, Pushpendra, and what is that? Employee password is this one. Okay na, so one more. Okay na, one more, let's one more. What is that? Data. Another one is what is that? Manjulata, right? Manjulata. Okay na, password is anything. Okay na, female, and address also I'm taking. She also India, and she know that Telugu, right? Okay, Telugu and English. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, so come in the database and refresh it. Okay, three female, this one. Okay na, and what is that? How many languages you know that? How many languages you know that? See that. Okay na, so ID number 3 Telugu. Okay na, Telugu. She know that only one. What is that? Telugu. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay na, like that. So but what is that? No, I want to see all data, right? I want to see that all list of data, right? So means I want my programming, my project need what is that? Ki how many employees there, right? How many employees there? Okay na, list of employee for that. So for that, okay na, so okay, so in the database how many object is there, means how many employee is there inside that? What is that? Come inside this one. Okay, employee table, employee this one. Employee table, yeah, this one. Okay, open this one. Okay, now I'm opening. So three people are there, right? Three data in the database. Three data means three object is there. Okay na, so for that this one will become what is that? List of data, right? So how we can write it on the browser, and for that purpose we will write one more, right? One more, come here. uh, we will take one more GSP page, right? A GSP page. So what is our data flow? Data flow will be there. Okay na, so for that, so means we are selecting the list of data, right, from the database. Okay na, so think about that, multiple one ID, multiple data, 2 3, right? This three data is there, right? Three data is there. Oh, in the database, three data is there in the database. Okay, three data is there in the database, so I want to select all objects. So for that, so how we can, so on the GSP page we will design the GSP page, right? So like that, the things will be there on the GSP, right? Like this, things will be there on the GSP. How it is? So okay, so we will create one table, right? So we will iterate. How we will iterate the list of data? I already explained in the Spring, right? Okay. So this is the like this data we will see that, right? Like this data we will see on our what is that tag library. Yes, Suraj. We will take the for each condition. Okay, na? For each condition. For that we will write one controller also. Okay, na? So like that we will see all data, right? All data. And here what is that serial number? One. After then what is that? Two. After then what is that? Three, right? Three. This is our data. Okay, na? So whenever we will click the whenever we will call the controller, right? So on the browser we will call. Okay, na? On the browser we will call that our we will perform the operation, right? We will perform the operation. So for that by making that the request will come to controller, right? This controller. After then from the controller it will go interact with what is the service layer. After then DAO layer, right? After then here from the database, our DAO layer will select all data, right? It will select all data. After then what is that? It will return from the database, it will return back. Okay, na? It will return back to our DAO layer, and the DAO layer again will return back to service layer, right? Service layer fin controller layer. After then our controller will expose the this list of data. Okay, na? This is our execution flow, right? This is our what is that execution flow will be there, right? This is our execution flow. Okay, na? So based on this execution flow, let's write the code and we will understand. Okay, na? We will understand. And this is our GSP page. Okay, na? Where we can able to see that our what is that list of employee, right? List of employee. Okay, guys. So now what I can do now, from here onward, just come to our property file. Okay, property file. Where the property file? This application property, right? Inside that here, let's take update. Okay, now from here onward, because every time the data, how many time we will run the application, data will what our data will uh, delete. Okay, now delete. Because of that I'm taking update. Okay, guys, so let's perform this operation. Okay, now so for that too we will take one GSP, right? Already data GSP is there. Let's perform in this same GSP only, right? We will not create another GSP. So for that, so we know that. So okay, so till let's first write the controller, right? First write the controller, and let's understand the methodology. What kind of, if we want to select a list of what is that data from the database, what is the method is there, what is the method is there. Okay, na? So for that our Spring, our Hibernate, yeah, Hibernate template is given which method, guys? Anyone remember that? Load all, right? I hope you people are remembered, right? Yeah. So let's write it. Okay, now let's write it. Okay, now what is that? Public. What is that? List of, right? List of what is that? List of employee, right? Employee, list of employee. What is that? Get all. What is that? Employee, right? Employee. This is what is that? This is the our method will be there in the interfaces. Okay, now its implementation classes. For that load all one method is there, right, in the Hibernate template. Okay, we will use it. So shall we write the this logic? Let's write it. Okay, let's write it and we will perform. Okay, now after then we will write the GSP. Last we will write the GSP and we will see that. Okay, now we will see that. Okay, guys. So okay, come to here. Okay, come first. Where we will go now? DAO layer, right? DAO layer. Where the DAO interface we will go, right? We will go DAO interface. Where the, yeah. Yes. So here, what is that? What we decided to write it now? What we decided it to write it now? Public list, right? Public list employee get employees, right? Get employee, because we are selecting all employee, right? So now what is that? Public list of what is that? List of employee. List of employee, right? Get all employee. Get our employee. This is the abstract method in the interface, guys. Okay, so where we will write the its implementation class. So where we will go now? Its implementation class. Okay, na? So Okay, now let's override Alt Shift S plus V. I overridden there that method. Okay, na? So okay, fine. So after overridden, what we will do now? We will write the logic, guys. Okay. So let's write the logic. Okay. So what is the logic? ht dot get all. Sorry, load all. Right. Load all method is there. Okay, na? Yeah, load all method is there. Employee, we will load the employee dynamically. Employee dot class here only. Okay, na? Dynamically. After then, this method will return what? This method will return what? This method will return list of employee, right? List of, what is that? List of employee. Okay, na? List of employee. Here we got the list of employee, right? EMP. Just I'm returning that same data we will return here. Okay. Okay, so EMP, guys. Okay, fine. So same data we are returning now. Okay, na? So okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, na? So now our implementation, DAO implementation is completed now, guys. Okay, our DAO implementation is completed. So shall we start the next discussion, guys? Okay, so come to service layer. Okay, come here. Okay, come to our service layer, guys. Okay, so fine. So let's develop our service implementation classes. Okay, now where the service, come here. Okay, so what decided the method here? Okay, so what is that? Public list of, right? List of employee. List of, what is that? Employee, right? List of employee. Get what is that? Get all employee, right? Okay, get all employee. EMPLOYEE. Fine, employee, right? Okay, so after then where this is the interface, but we have need to write the logic in its implementation class. Okay, guys. So okay, if we want to write it, the logic, what is the Alt Shift S plus V, right? Already we have the method, guys. Okay, so now fine. So here what we will do now, at the rate transactional annotation, right? So we are performing the select operation, guys. So I hope you people are remember, whenever we are performing the select operation, right? So at the time, by default, transactional annotation is true, right? So we have need, what is that? Sorry, false, right? Read only, we will make, what is that? True. I hope you people are remember this one. Okay, read only, yes. So okay, so we will make, you want to see that this implementation, see that. Okay, na? I will show that. Okay, what is the by default, this one is false. So whenever we are performing, what is that? Select operation, we have make this one is a true, then we can able to work on that, this one. Okay, na? So now, so here what is that? Come here. Okay, come here and we will see that. Okay, what is that? DAO, right? DAO dot, what is that? Get all employee. We are getting the all employee or not. Okay, na? So this one will return, what is that? List of employee, guys. Okay, na? List of, what is that? List of employee, right? List of what? Employee. Okay, so now the things is completed. Okay, EMP. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So what we will return now here? EMP, right? Let's return the employee, EMP. Okay, guys, so till now the things is completed, right? The till now the things is completed. So for that, let's come to our controller, right? Let's come inside our controller. So for that, this JSP, right? This JSP. So whenever we will make the request, so we have need to write the logic inside the controller. Okay, I opened the controller class. Okay, na? So for that, what is that? Here, from here to here. Okay, na? So this is the, okay, so let's write one more controller, another controller. We will make, what is that? Public, what is that? Public string, right? String show data. So data, right? So data, we are writing one controller, right? Okay, so if we want to make the, which kind of data we want to show that, so for that we will take at the rate get mapping, right? We want to select the get data. For that, get mapping annotation we will take inside that. What we will do now, just we will take data, right? Data, based on that we will make the request, guys. Okay, so okay, so we have need, but we don't need any argument, right? We don't need any argument. Just what is that? Return that JSP page. Okay, guys, we will return that JSP page. Okay, so now which JSP page we will return now? Which JSP page? Data JSP page. Okay, na? So here we will take, what is that? Data now. Okay, na? So data JSP page we will take, guys. Okay, okay, so fine. So here what we will do now, we have need to write the logic. Okay na, we have need to write the logic to expose our data. Okay, so if we want to expose our data, so for that which method we will call now? Service. Here what we will do now? Service dot okay na, service dot what is that? Service dot what? Get. Get all, right? Get all means list of it. This method is returning what is that? List of employee, right? So what is that? List of what? Employee. List of what is that? Employee, right? Yes. Okay, so employee, we are taking the employee. Okay, fine guys, till now the things is completed. Okay, so next what is that? Next discussion is what? Next discussion is what, guys? So okay, so what we will do now? So we will expose this list of data, right? So I hope you people are remember how we are exposing that list of data. Map dot what is that? Map dot add. Map dot what is that? Oh, sorry. Here I forget it. In that, if we want to work on what is that, if our method expose the data for that, what is that? Model map, right? Model map. Model map, right? Map. Okay na, we are exposing the data. For that purpose we are using that, right? So what we will do now? Map dot add attribute, guys. Okay na, model dot what is that? Add attribute. Okay, so for that what is that? List. I'm returning the list of employee. Here we are getting the right list of employee. Just I'm taking the employee object. Okay, so fine guys, so the things is completed. So but whenever we are returning the list of employees, so what we will how we can write the logic on GSP page, guys? How we can write the logic on the GSP page? Now see the here actuality. Okay na, see here the actuality. So just open your what is that? GSP page guide. Okay, GSP page. So what we will do now? Come here. Okay na, so what is that? At the rate percent at the rate, right? At the rate what is that? Tag lib. Another one what is that? Prefix. We will take C, right? After then URL, right? URL. Okay, come to browser, guys. Okay na, come on the browser. What is that? What we will search it? What is that? Tag library, right? Tag library URL. Core URL we have need. Okay na, don't remember these things. Okay na, just use the why internet is there. You copy paste from there only, right? So we have need this URL, guys. Okay na, to perform what is that? GSTL operation, right? So to perform the GSTL operation, what is that? Okay, copy this one and come to browser, right? And paste inside this. Okay, so fine guys. Okay na, the things is completed. Okay, till now the things is completed. Okay, so next what we will do now? The body, just remove this one. Okay na, from here only, from here onward what we will do now? Okay, so take the table, right? Table. See the actuality I'm presenting front of you people. Okay na, so I'm doing the code front of you people. See that, guys. Okay na, so okay, so now what is that? Table is there, right? My system is getting too much slow. hmm. Okay, table, we got it. Okay, so 1 minute. I think server is running, huh? Because of that my system is, oh no, not running, but still why? Okay guys, okay, leave it. So okay, inside that what is that? Inside that what we will do now, guys? Inside that what we will do now? Okay, okay, okay guys. Okay na, so what is the t head, right? Table HTML, guys. This one is what is that? HTML. Another one is what? Table body, right? Table body. Another one is what? Last one is what is that? Table footer, right? Table footer is there, right? Okay, so now the things still now the thing is completed. These things, okay na? In the t head, guys. Okay na, come here. Okay na, t head. Inside the t head, what we will take? Inside t head, what we will take? Okay, so t head, right? T head. Inside that, what is that? Tr, right? Tr. Okay, so now close it. Tr, and what is that? Inside the Tr, what we will do now? Th, right? T heading. Okay, one heading. Okay guys, one. So inside that, what is that? What is that come in the database? EMP ID. Okay, na? EMP ID. Okay. What is that? EMP ID. EMP ID. Okay. Another one is what is that? Another one is what is that? Another one more is there. What is that? Another one more is there. What is that? What employee? What is that? Gender. Let's open the model class, guys. Okay, now based on the model class, we will map it because in the database, the ID. Oh, sorry, the column is different. Okay, model. Okay, now this one. Okay, fine. First one is employee ID, employee name. Okay, na. So come here. Okay, come here. Second one is what is that? EMP, EMP. What is that? EMP name, right? EMP name. Okay. Another one is what? Another one is what? TH, right? TH, TH. What is that? TH. Okay. So imply EMP. Another one is what is that? What is that? Where? Yeah. Imply password. Okay. Imply password. EMP PWD password. Okay. So okay, fine. Another one is what is that? TH equal to TH, right? Sorry, TH. What is that? Model. Come to model. What is that? In EMP name, right? EMP name is there, right? EMP ID, EMP name, EMP password, and what is that? EMP gender, right? EMP gender, EMP gen. Okay. EMP gender. Okay. EMP, what is that? Gender, right? EMP gender. Another one is what? Another one is what is that? TH. Okay, TH, close it. TH, where again come here, okay? EMP gender, EMP address, right? EMP address. Okay, so what is that? EMP ADDRS. ADDRES address. ADDRES. Oh, okay, so now fine. So till now the things is completed, guys. Okay. So next one is what? Next one is what? EMP gender address country, right? Employee country. Okay. So what is that? Come here. Okay. TH TH again. What is that? EMP country. COUNTRY, right? COUNTRY. Okay, employee country. Another one more property is there. What is that? Employee country and employee language. Okay, employee language. Okay, TH. What is that? TH. Here, what is that? EMP LAN language. Just that's it. Okay. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 properties there, right? 7 properties are there. Okay, na? So okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 properties are there, guys. Okay. So okay, let's move on. Let's move on to next discussion. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. So okay, this is the now come to table right here. What we will do now? What we will do now? Table data, right? So THTR. Okay, na table row. Okay, fine. Oh, sorry, it's muted. I just now I'm seeing. Okay, please use the chat box, guys, if anything is gone wrong. Okay. Okay. T head is completed, right? Okay. So now let's do next level. Okay, na? Let's do it next level discussion. We are designing the form, guys. Okay, na? Table. We are designing our table. Okay. So now, okay. So come here. Okay. So what is that? So for that far, we know that. Okay, na? Okay, so C colon, what is that? For each condition, we will use it. Okay, na? Inside that, what is that? Inside that, we will use what is that? Items. In the items, what we will do now? Dollar symbol. Inside this dollar symbol, we will pass what is that? Come to controller. Employee controller is there, right? What is that? We are exposing the list of data, right? So this list of data we will take there, right? We will take there. Okay, na? We will paste inside this one. Okay, so after then what is that? Based on that, please, video someone is open. Okay, so now fine. Another one is what is that? Another one more. Okay, na? Another, what is that? Where we will give the variable name. Just I'm giving the object, right? Object. Fine. Okay, guys. Okay, so fine till now the things is fine. Okay, so okay, come here. Okay, so okay, tr. Okay, now we will take one tr table row, and we will close it also here only. Okay, after then inside that what we will do now? We will take what is that? Th, right? Th. Okay, fine. Th, we will take the th, guys. Okay, so okay, how many? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven is there, right? Yeah, seven is there. Okay, so okay. Seven is there. Then let's write the logic. Okay, let's write the logic. Something goes wrong. I think I'm not satisfied. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I have need to see one how to. 1 minute, guys. Just give 1 minute. Okay, na? Actually, something I'm missing like that. I'm thinking about that. Just need one reference, guys. Okay, now give me only 1 minute. I need. Okay. No, no, no. Fine, guys. Fine. I'm going good. Okay. Th. Sorry. No, we are going good, guys. It's stucking in my mind. Okay, na? No, we are going good. Tr and th, right? Th. We are going good. Okay, na? See, based on that, the real time project I'm implementing for you people. Okay, na? So, okay, where the which one I opened? This one, edit, right? Edit category data. Okay, open this one. I use bootstrap also here. Okay, na? So the thing is fine. Tr and th, right? Th. Okay. Th. Yeah, correct. No, there is no problem in that. Okay, come to here. Okay. Th. Okay, fine. So after then, what is that here? C colon. What is that? C colon. What is that? Out, right? Okay, 1 minute. Space, give the space here. C colon out, right? Out. Okay. So, okay, C colon out. One C colon out. Okay. So how many need? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, na? Yeah. Copy this one. Paste. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 7 is now fine. Fine, guys. Okay. Okay. So inside that, okay, na? Inside that, see, already in the real time project also I implemented, guys, same. Okay, na? I implemented same. Okay, na? Those things only I'm explaining. See, the real time project. This one is the real time project is there, right? Inside that, see, for each condition, how I used, how I taken the TDTH, all those things. Okay, na? Those same things only. Okay, na? So don't worry about that. I will give that good subject to you people. Okay. So okay, so here just no need. Okay, na? Here only close it, all those things. Okay. Okay, so okay, so let's do that. Okay, na? So here, what is that? Dollar symbol, right? Dollar symbol here. Okay, so what is that reference? OB dot. Okay, na? OB dot. What is that? How we can read it? How we can read it? So come to model class, right? Come to model class. Just copy this one ID. Okay, copy this one ID and paste it here. Okay. So okay, so one property is completed. Okay. Again, what is that? Dollar symbol. Okay. After then, what is that? OB dot. What is that? OB dot. Come to model class. Okay. Come to model class. Come to EMP name is there, right? Copy this one and paste it here. Okay. So okay, so another one is what? Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol, right? Dollar symbol. Okay, guys, dollar symbol. Now what is that? OB dot. OB dot. What is that? OB dot. Come to model class. Must be same attribute, and that one is must be same, otherwise we will get what? Error. Okay, so fine. After then, what is that? Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol. What is that? Dollar symbol. Come to OB. OB dot. What is that? OB dot. Where? Come to employee. Where the employee? Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, this one, right? So gender, right? Copy this one, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so another one is what? One more is there. Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol. What is that? OB dot. OB dot. What is that? Come to our employee class. What is the another one? Is employee address. Copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Okay, paste it here. Oh, sorry, here we will paste here on. Okay, another one is what? Again, one more field is there, right? Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol. What is that? OB. OB dot what? OB dot what? What is that? Come to here, right? Country, right? Copy this one. Employee country. Okay, so fine. One more field is there, right? Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol. Okay, dollar symbol. What is that? OB dot. OB dot what? OB dot what? Come to employee, right? Come to employee. Okay, so employee language. Copy the employee language, guys. Okay, come to GSP page. Okay, so the things is completed, guys. The things is completed. So let's run the application and we will see that. Okay, now let's run the application and we will see the same things. Okay, now same things. Our database all. What is that? Our database all data on GSP page. Okay, now on GSP page we will see that. Okay, now shall we